Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about Laravel accessors. So the first one we will learn what is Laravel accessor and how to make controller and model for testing accessors, and the last one make accessor function. So what is Laravel accessor? We use a Laravel accessor for modify the data before display. For example, I want to get the data from table members and I want to modify some name or gender or address before I display on HTML form. Okay, so now let's go to text together and you will see and more understanding about it. So let me create one controllers. So PHP artisan makes, you put controllers and my controller name is member controller. Okay, enter it and I create one more model. Okay, artisan makes models. My model name is should be singular because my table name is plural in here. So the member here it must be members. Enter it. So now let's go to my controller and I write one function for testing. We're looking for this and I write one function. So my function is show data. Okay, and you can specify and import the model name in order to get the data from database. So we can use app model and model name is members, and you can here return member all. Okay, so let me save it and I create one route for this. For running this function we go to web.php and we create route gets, my URL name is list and my function, my controller is member controller class and my function name is show data. Let me save it and don't forget import the controller here. So apps http controller and you put controller name member controller. Okay, let me test it running or not. So before you run, please don't forget to check the connection to the database so you can have the right configuration, like for example database inventory user root. Okay, and my password is empty and also ports. So let me go to my project and run it like this. Okay, you can see here is all my data from tables member. Okay, so now how do I modify it before I display? For example, I want to be like Sandara. I want to be F is a capital letter, so I modify it and then I display it as a capitalized capital letters. Okay, so let me go to Laravel document. You can learning more of accessor here and you can see the example. So you go to the model and you can create this function. I just copy this and I go to my model, looking for model, we go to here's model, member model, and you create function in here. So here is the field name. I want to modify the column, the field name. So I need to change this to name. Okay, I save it. And then don't forget, you can see in the Laravel document, you need to import attributes and models. Let's copy this and pass in here. Okay, so in this case we have already for model, you can delete it, just put this one and let me save. You can refresh the page. Yes, okay, you can see here sun and Alex. A become capital letter and F become capital letter. So this is how to example with accessor. So you can change also gender or address. For example, I want to add address here, like I can copy this and pass in here. So I want to change the field address, so I need to write here and I can, yes. So let me change here, delete this, and I want to add the like USA at the end of the address, and we can get like this and USA. Okay, let's save it and I refresh it. You can see here address Alaska, USA, and Florida, USA. So this is how to work with Accessor, and you can see more document in here, and you can also write the syntax with the Laravel 8. You can change here, and you're looking for Accessor. You can see here is the different, but you can also use this one. Like for example, I use this one. It is for Laravel 8, but you can use it. Let me delete this and I pass this. So you need to change here is the keyword. So I change it to name. I save it and let me refresh. You see it's also working. So remember that all feature in Laravel 8 is support in Laravel 9 also. Okay, then you no need to care about this. You can write both. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.